Okay, we're going to draw two droids from Star Wars. We're going to draw BB9 and DO. Okay, we'll start with
BB9.
We're going to start with BB9. Okay, let's start by spelling the name B and the number 9. Okay, we're going to start with the head. BB9 is very similar to BB8. Okay, so we're going to draw a rectangle here with slanted sides. Okay, so we're going to draw the top, and we're going to draw the slanted sides, and we're going to draw this line, connect the two lines. And draw a circle right in the middle. And a line here on the side, line here on the side, and one thin one between those, the bottom. And then we have a rectangle up here. Small circle next to the big circle. And then two small rectangle here. And one long vertical rectangle. Now we're going to draw the body. The body is just like a ball, just like BB-8.
Big one.
Inside the ball, we're going to draw the pattern on it. We're going to draw half a circle here. It'll be half a circle on this side. And then this is like 2/3 of a circle. See most of the circle. And we're going to draw the lines that connects them. Okay. And we'll draw the pattern on here. We're going to do this curve, and then we'll do a rectangle. And then we'll draw a curve. And same thing on this side, we're going to do a curve, a rectangle, and a curve. And now we'll draw the bottom. We'll do a rectangle, a curve, a rectangle, and we'll draw the rest of the curve. Curve here, rectangle, curve. Okay, on the bottom here, we're going to draw the slanted stripes.
I did the stripes.
Stripes. Okay. We'll draw two antennas. Pretty short. On the left. So that is BB9. Now we're going to draw
Why name it BB9?
It's a ball droid, so it's BB9. Okay, now we're going to draw DO. Start with spelling the name D, the letter D, and the letter O.
DO.
Okay, we're going to start with his head. So in the middle, we're going to draw an oval. Now we're going to draw two lines that goes slanted up. So one this way, one on top from this oval, and one on the bottom. Then we'll connect them with a curve. And we'll draw one more curve, middle. We'll draw the markings on the droid. There's rectangles. There's 3 of them. Okay, and then he has an antenna on here with a ball on the tip. He has some stripes on the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And here's the neck. And here's a long rectangle it's connected to. there's one line in the back. It's going to come down. And then we're going to draw the rest of the body here. Long rectangle. There's a circle here. And around this circle, we're going to draw the big wheel here. Then we'll draw a slightly smaller wheel here. Move your elbow. Drawing a circle. Stop doing that. Draw a circle. There you go. Good job. Then we're going to have some stripes on here for the wheel. And there's some markings on here. So we're going to do this part first. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle inside this, following the big circle. Following the big circle. And we'll have some stripes here. This one goes all the way across. Okay, and then there's 5 stripes on here. Okay, and there's a circle here, half a circle. Okay, so that's DO. Now we're going to color them.